for beating the Farm Fresh Boxing 5 sets. We have Coach Raul Dicaport and Sammy Davison. Coach, congratulations for his top win. So, what can you say about your performance this evening to stay alive for the qualifying round?
Well, siguro proud lang ako sa naging pagsagot namin dun sa challenge. Yung maturity na sinasabi ko sa kanila na tuwing may mga ganitong situations, sumako talaga today. Nandun lahat ng breaks, nandun lahat ng bad calls, lalo yung bad calls, nandun yung coming from behind, saka yung yun nga. Mahirap yung fifth set eh. So, very happy kami na na-recover namin, tapos yung hinugot namin galing sa bench, gumana rin si Keisha. So, yun, happy kami.
Thank you to Sabi. You had 32 points on 20 attacks, 3 blocks, 1 service ace, 13 excellent receptions, and 12 bigs. So, such a very important game for you guys because you're trying to reach top 4 to make it to the qualifying round for a easier pathway to the semifinals. So, what can you say, especially what Coach Calter said earlier, the Keisha and the AA played well during down the stretch?
Anong question?
Yeah, yung si AA tsaka si Keisha, yung mga subs nyo.
Okay lang. Like, they're always ready to perform. We were talking to Coach kanina, everyone has the opportunity to come in and do their job. So it's whoever's kind of ready. We have a long bench with very talented athletes, so I'm not surprised that Keisha was able to come in and score a couple points and be a part of our core today.
Salamat.
Sabi, how did you stay focused inside despite what happened in the fourth? And then when Farm Fresh tried to come back in the fifth set?
It was actually harder for me to stay focused when there were so many breaks, timeouts, calls, challenges. When there's lapses like that, when you don't play and you're not locked in, it's hard to kind of come back to it. But when you have a chip on your shoulder, let's say about a call doesn't go your way, I feel like that kind of fires us to do better, to stay more focused, to do a lot of stuff. So I'm just glad that we used it in the right type of way. We put our efforts, not to fight back towards a call, but just to fight during the play.
Coach, yung mga ganitong laro, hindi lang naman yung mga challenging na mga laro, hindi lang naman yung paano nyo i-handle yung mga sarili nyo sa mga ganitong klase ng games, intense?
Siguro based on experience na lang din talaga. Marami na napag-aanan yung team. Saka minsan na-anticipate na lang din talaga namin kung makita namin sino yung tatayo sino yung pipito. So yung katulad nga kanina, na-anticipate naman namin pero nag-react pa rin kami ng todo. Wala kang magagawa talaga, gaya talaga yung mga tawag minsan. Pero nandun pa rin talaga yung mas uumapaw yung feeling na napagdaanan na siya before. So paano kami magre-respond ng tama talaga. So yung mga ganong itsura, hindi siya nakapractice sa experience na talaga siya nakukuha. So happy kami na nakarespond kami na ayos.
So in those moments, how do you stay composed and you still that in?
I'm not one to usually fight. I just like to go back to playing because those lapses, like I said, they're distracting. But I know what our captain's doing. I know what our coaches are doing. They're just fighting for the right call. So, it's kind of my job to stay locked in and it's their job to speak on our behalf. So it's, just within our rules, we just do the right thing.
Sabi, most of the fans notice you have an impeccable form this conference. Then you also elevated your game in your shots and kills. What's different this time?
Actually, I haven't been jumping as high, so coach has been forcing me to place the ball in better places. Especially at practice, they push me to find the open spots. When you practice with Kat and Isa and Sheila every day, it's kind of hard to score all the time. So I feel like they're just making me a better athlete, and with the help of everybody else, I'm just, I couldn't be more happy with my support.
And for other athletes, not all, they find it difficult to spend time in the weight room. For you, how is it so far?
It's actually like my piece, it's where I can go and work without anybody watching me or, telling me what to do. But then, it also benefits me, on court. I feel stronger, I feel lighter, I feel faster. So it's kind of like my lonely practice, I like to call it, when I get time to myself during practice, but I'm also, contributing to the craft.
Coach, lagi mong ine-emphasize na kung kaya, balance sana yung scoring. Pero siguro gano'ng kalaking luxury lang na kapag walang mapuntahan, nandiyan lagi si Sabi.
Oh, yun nga mismo. Yun din naman i-ready namin from Japan training pa lang na yun nga, luxury naman talaga na nandiyan si Sab. Pero gusto natin kahit pa paano may katulong isa, dalawa. So far, yun naman si Kiana, yun naman talaga yung role niya. And yun nga, yung supporting cast ng mga middles, tapos ngayon nga si Kisha yung mas napili. So basta ganun yung nagiging numbers namin. Hindi naman guaranteed pero malaki lagi yung chance namin. So yun nga, ngayon tinawag ng pagkakataon na si Sab ulit yung gumawa and ready naman siya. So ganun talaga.
Coach, yun nga si Del nakabalik na rin from Indonesia. Gano'n lang kalaking bagay, lalo na may experience siya from abroad.
Actually, akala niya mapalaroin ko siya today. Hindi ko siya nasabihan na hindi pa siya sasalang. Pero ganun yung dedication ng bata. Kararating lang niya nung March 1. Nakaisang practice pa lang sa amin, tapos ready na agad siya sumabak. Sabi ko naman, yun nga, hanggat kaya idahan-dahan ulit yung pag-gel sa system. Pero definitely, by next week, i-rotate ko na sila nila Kiana. So yun, malaking tulong ulit na may mahuhugot off the bench na ganyang caliber.
Coach at 5-1 and we signal winning earlier, tapos dikit-dikit pa yung Green Line 4-1, tapos yung Chocomotion NX led 3-3. So this is very important. How important yung mga last 3 matches yung para at least makaiwas kayo doon sa bottom 6?
Well, ang mindset naman ng this conference, regardless ng sinong kalaban, kung ano man yung ranking nila, wala nang magiging basis kung ano yung magiging laro. Kita nyo naman kanina, kita nyo naman may ibang games, kahit sino talaga. So, ang nagiging challenge na lang talaga sa players, regardless ng results, mabilis mag-move on at mag-prepare ulit ng susunod na laro. Walang ibang iisipin, hindi isipin yung standing, hindi isipin yung malayo pa. Pero yung mga next games lang talaga na importante. So far, sa mangyayari sa amin, yung last games namin, definitely very crucial pa rin talaga. So yung galleries, lagi nakakaisa sa mga teams, nakuha na tuloy next lead. Yung next lead mismo, strong contender, and si Choco pa. So walang easy game, talagang one at a time, saka kailangan balance out talaga yung pagpapahinga sa trabaho.
On that note, congratulations.
Thank you
for this
po.
win.